On our way up the trail, stopping to catch our breath. Nice forest stand up here.